Hi guys, in today's video is another unboxing, and first of all I want to say thank you for watching my channel. Thank you so much, and if you're not a subscriber yet, please do subscribe so you will be watching lots of videos like this. Okay, now this is another happy unboxing. This is from Amazon. Amazon is my best friend now, delivering lots of nice surprises for me. Okay. Oh dear. Alright. What a big box! I wonder what's... It's empty! What is this? Okay, let's put this in here. Okay, connect with confidence. Oh wow, that's nice. Connect with confidence. So this is cable.
HDMI lead.
HDMI
It's
lead.
the new type.
Okay.
2.1 supposed to be faster than the older ones. That's for the new TV when it comes.
Oh right. So this is the lead for the new TV. Oh, they said thank you for choosing eyebrow online. Eyebrow. Oh, it's a smiley face.
Yes, love, love, love.
Love, love, love. Okay, so this is the lead. It's the MI. So it's 8K. What does it? 8K?
Double the 4K. We don't have 8K, but it's supposed to be faster than the earlier HDMI cables, so I got it.
Oh, really? So this
Probably won't make
is...
any difference on our equipment.
So where will you put this? At the back of the TV
Yeah,
together?
to the Amazon.
Ah,
To my Amazon one.
all right. Okay, so you know. So it's quite long.
Should be 2 meters. That's what I ordered.
2 meters. So that is the recommended length.
Not really, but I always buy a bit longer to make sure it's
All right. Okay.
long enough.
So you have, when you open this, you need to cut it because this is the...
Yeah.
What do you call this thing?
Sort of clip.
Yeah, it clips. Yeah. So are you going to take it out like that? Is this a protection?
Yeah.
Protective cover? Oh, like that. Okay, darling, what can you say about that lead?
It's supposed to be faster than the normal HDMI lead, so
Yeah.
I thought I'd get it to see if it makes any difference, but somehow I doubt it. Depends on the equipment as well. The TV is equipped with a faster socket, but we don't have anything that's equipped with it.
Oh, right. Okay. So that's the only one you need?
Well, we got other HDMI leads for everything.
Oh. So what is that for?
I'll connect the Amazon Fire TV box to the TV with this.
Oh, see. So I can watch YouTube.
Yeah, you already do.
Yeah, I know. I know. Okay. Thank you, darling,
You're welcome.
for the quick review.
It's okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye, YouTube world.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the unboxing, guys. This is what I unbox. This is for the new TV when it arrives. So I will show you the unboxing of the new TV when it arrives. It will be arriving soon, in a few days. And and then you will see how big is the TV. I'm not telling you because it's a surprise. So we can unbox together on Thursday. Thank you.
Love, love, love.
Love, love, love. Thank you for watching. I'm going to show you guys what happened to our TV.
Old TV, LG 42 inch. We had it for just over 7.5 years. It was a good TV, good quality, but it just went black. So there was just sound but no picture. That's it. So I ordered a new one, Samsung this time.